हेलो एवरीवन, हियर पूजा गुप्ता। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आई हूँ, राइट। तो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है, एक ऐसा इंग्लिश वर्ड जो हम बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज़ करते हैं। द वर्ड इज़ वेरी। जैसे कि आप बोलते हो वेरी गुड, वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी पुअर, वेरी रूड, वेरी टायर्ड. So let's keep the word very aside and use a new modern English word instead of very. So I'll give you some of the examples. Please do follow it, and if you like my video, please like and share it to your relatives and near and dear ones, right? The first one is very rude, vulgar, very intelligent, brilliant, very confused, perplexed, very worried, anxious, very dirty, squalid, very clean, spotless, very happy, jubilant, very poor, destitute, very hot, sweltering, or you can say scorching, very colorful, vibrant, very high, soaring, very huge, colossal, very hungry, ravenous or starving, very thirsty, parched, very short, brief, very cold, freezing, very fast, rapid. So this was a very good video. Superb video. This was the superb video. Bye bye. Thank you. And please do like and share my video.